Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find your Thinkorswim account. First, navigate to the TD Ameritrade website or open their mobile application. Look for the login area, typically found at the top right of the page or prominently displayed in the app. Enter your registered username and password carefully into the designated fields to access your main account dashboard. This is your initial gateway. Once you are successfully logged into your TD Ameritrade account, you will typically see a dashboard or a My Accounts section. Within this area, search for a clear link or button that says Thinkorswim. Clicking this will either launch the web-based platform directly or prompt you to open the desktop application, connecting it to your account. Now that you are inside the Thinkorswim platform, finding your account details is straightforward. Look for a tab or section, often labeled Account Info or Monitor. Here, you should see your specific account number clearly displayed. You can also review your current balances, open positions, and other important financial information associated with your account. If you encounter any difficulties logging in or finding your account, don't worry. First, try using the Forgot Password option on the login page to reset your credentials. If issues persist, the best step is to contact TD Ameritrade customer support directly. Have your personal identification details ready, as they will need to verify your identity to provide assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.